Sorry, Miss Jackson. Ooh, da, 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 da. Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. I've been living and loving the wig. A lot of you said, Fumi, we would love for you to wear wigs. We would love for you to wear wigs because a lot of us, because of the climate, the economy, we have a lot of businesses, promoters, helpers. And you know me, I am there for you pronto. That's all you had to say. If you had said, we don't like your hair, I wouldn't have done it. But I am promoting your businesses, and I will do that in any way, shape, or form. And you guys send me your wigs, whatever. I will wear them on the show to help to promote your business, yes. And then we can have a fabulous discount code, Fumi, always. As a matter of fact, propose that so that Fumi Nation, because of the economy, can always buy it cheaper. I am wearing none other than the fabulous Rava. She's a Nigerian designer. And when I tell you that this is sensational, it is absolutely beautiful. Rava, you are my new. Do you understand, my darling? You are my new. This is sensational. Beautiful gorgeousness. I will wear it out for dinner. Yeah, why not? Needless to say, why are we here? We're here because of another Nigerian artist, our wonderful Baba and our honorable NATASHA. They got married a couple of months ago, not even 6 months. And when I saw the honorable NATASHA eating food at her wedding, I knew that this girl could not be trusted. Because I've never seen an iyawo, a wife who they chop for your own wedding. Because everybody they nervous, people they greet us from one side to another side. We don't get time to eat, and we want to be looking fabulous in our wedding attire. But you see that NATASHA, now so it just sit down, just to eat. I said, this one ready to fight. This one ready to what? Ready to fight. And that's what happened. Our beautiful Baba must have said to himself, I need to work because this money go finish. Oh, this honorable NATASHA, no be Annie way they understand matter. This one no understand. Let me go and work. And so he was supposed to be here in England, in London, on a tour. Yes, on an English tour. When he found himself arrested. No, don't let me laugh. He found himself arrested. Why? Because there was boss between himself and his lovely new bride. They fought here in this London. You know, say this one no be Niger, where they fight and then people will come and separate you. Which one police stay inside? In fact, this will never be police matter. For Niger, please, you just say this is matters of the heart. This is matters of the heart. We could have settled on ourselves. In England, absolutely not. This is what you call domestic abuse. And so before he knew what was happening, the mic was out of the hand, the handcuffs replaced, and off he trotted down to the big uncle to explain himself. And you know how they are. Let us see your paperwork first. Oh my God. This is very good for you too, Baba. You know why? Because you had Annie, and Annie is doing her glow up. Annie is looking fabulous. Annie's out here. She just might have a new man. And she's doing her thing. Whereas you too, Baba, you are now spreading this bad luck from one part of the world to another. From Africa to Europe. They do not like this energy. And so what happened? Yes, baby, the tour was cancelled. The tour has been cancelled or postponed, whichever one you want to call it. As a matter of fact, I was not the first to talk about this. Allegedly, I forgot because you guys told me in the comment section for me, allegedly, please remember allegedly. I'm remembering allegedly. Allegedly. They came out here in cold England because we're in October now and they were doing ghost baths. Maybe that was why they were upset with each other. Somebody ate the pepper, you know. And yeah, because you see, where you thought, my darling, that hold on, let me get there. Yes, where you thought you had a better wife, Annie was the one. And I am so happy that it was you who said, I don't want again. I don't want do. I beg, make una leave me. It don't leave you now. It don't say, you know what, make I enter therapy. Let me really understand this matter. Because it be like say, to Baba don't want me again. Or I go cry or go pay me. But I will heal from this situation. It don't heal from the matter. It don't move on. Now so you go say you want marry. Now you go marry Honorable NATASHA. Who know himself? We don't know him. Una do wedding, everything. Now so we look. Now so we look. They say in get belle. Somebody will get belle. Now that person will go begin fight. Now that one new. So here now, we don't hear him say, viral blogger Silver Dam has alleged that music icon Tubaba IDIBIA was arrested in London following a dispute with Natasha Osawaru. You see how they don't remove the honorable? Yes, I beg you, no fit himself. Natasha Osawaru. Okay. The incident reportedly forced the cancellation of his scheduled UK tour, leaving fans disappointed by his absence. The allegations came just weeks after his 50th birthday celebration, only months into his new marriage. When I don't see him, it don't spoil your name all over the place. Tubaba, I don't feel sorry for you at all. At all. I want you to relish in your misfortune, because this woman that you have married is only coming to bring you bad luck. But you wanted it, because you were somewhere in Lekki where you were being held. They hold them because you needed to dry out, allegedly. And here you are, you married this woman, and you know, it's unfortunate because it really doesn't have anything to do with Natasha. It has everything to do with the way you presented yourself to us and how you treated Annie. Annie, again, is not innocent. Annie should have left decades ago, but it was the callousness of how you treated somebody that loved the ground you walked on. And perhaps that's just too much love for one person. Perhaps it's too much love for you. And so you abused it. And you didn't appreciate the love. You didn't appreciate her fighting for you. You didn't appreciate everything that she did for you. You didn't appreciate it. It was too much. It was too in your face. And you burst out right there on the reality show that you just needed to have intercourse. You didn't care who it was with. Your wife was sitting right there amongst other guests. That's where I would have said, Annie, and I'd have taken my beautiful FDV tote bag. I would have packed all of my things for an overnight at the Dorchester Hotel. And I would have what? I would have left. Why? Because women, my darling women out here in these streets, when I tell you that you are fabulous, those that are good are golden. Write that down. Those that are good women, the good women are golden and they're irreplaceable. And so you ditched our beautiful Annie. And you took Natasha, who decided to fight you, allegedly, in London. Because she's letting you know, guess what? I am that BTICH. I will FUCK you up. That's what she's telling you. And I will drain you of all of your resources. The worst part of it, my darling, before I go, is that she has met you on the other side of 50. Not before 50. Not to say ageism, but this is where you're going to slow down a bit. This is when you're supposed to smell the flowers. This is when you're supposed to lean back, as I do with my man. Yes, with Ula. And I say, Ula, I love you, baby. Let us enjoy our golden years together. And we really are, with our wonderful son bouncing on our bed. Wonderful times. You, on the other hand, headache. This is just the introduction of it, allegedly. So, my darlings, drop it down in the comments. My Naija people, how na dey? I dey miss una. I beg, if any of you people are here, please make una cook snail for me. Jollof rice, fried rice, plantain, pounded yam, okra soup. Those are my favorites. Those are my what? Those are my favorites. I live and love you. FDV brand ships internationally. Yes, it does. Even to Gidi. Yes, I know you people now. You people are doing something there. And it switches up into currency. All right, darlings, I got to go. I have other fish to fry. Yes, I do. I really do. And I will see you later. We are coming with the beauty. Very, very light makeup. We're coming with the exercises. Pilates. That's what's really giving me those long limbs. Oh, my God. I'm living and loving. Yes, 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 yes. And I will see you what? I will see you sooner than later. I got to go. Mwah. The wrong way. I know. Sorry. Another chance to show my bags. I live and love. I live and love. Gotta go. Bye. Good evening all. How are you? How are we? Thank you, Afro-European, for this prestigious award. I had every intention. Look, I even had a dress. I had every intention to be there, but unfortunately, I was unable to make it. I want to thank you, Afro-European. You are changing lives more than you know, and this means more to me than I can ever express in words. I want to thank my wonderful husband, my amazing son, Fumi Nation, and for all of those that have supported me on this amazing journey. Thank you. I am beyond grateful because it really and truly takes a village. God bless you all. Enjoy the evening. Thank you, my darling girlfriend, Aretha Abimbola, who is with you and is accepting this award on my behalf. God bless you. I love you. Have a fabulous evening, and I will see you next year. God bless.
My name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So, guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point, and I don't want to bring up any other product or brand, but these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one, and I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah, look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay, that is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me, Fumi, a slippery lime shampoo, healthy hair studio, created by trichologist ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get you.